In primetime news this evening, blunt force trauma, the result of the autopsy report on the bodies of Pastor Kevin Smith and Constable Orlando Irons. Mixed report card, an assessment of the first day of face-to-face classes. And major flooding in the western city of Montego Bay.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how was your child's first day back in the classroom? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.